Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I really hope you enjoyed that panel discussion by Nullig, John Paul, and Jamie. A couple of really key takeaways. They did mention it, but just to remind you again, from Nullig's side, she looked at communication from management level within the organization, establishing a really strong, good communication framework is definitely essential, especially through this period of uncertainty, because people will be anxious about the organization, where they're going, because people doesn't have all the answers as well. I think it's really important. And she also mentioned, which she's a big believer in, is green exercises, getting out into nature, getting out and just stopping there sometimes, talking or stopping there and breathing and taking it all in as well. That really self-care approach, I think it's very important. And Jamie had just loads of tips, but one practical one is have a reminder to set 3 check-ins throughout the day, to check in with yourself to see what you really feel the need to do, and I suppose where are you right now, and concentrate on your breathing and what you need right now to make sure you're engaged yourself. Now I'm going to bring you through one of our initiatives here at Zevo Health, and it's one that we launched last month for employee engagement, because we feel, obviously, we're from a well-being company, and we feel well-being, to have a strong well-being is a fantastic foundation within our company. I'll bring you through all that. So what I'm going to do is share screen. So we have a quick, we have a slideshow here presented to you, and I'll bring you through that over the next maybe 10 minutes or so. After that, we're going to have a networking section. So if you look at your screen on the left, you'll see networking, and then you can engage with other participants and members throughout the session as well. So what we've launched last month was the Fittest Workplace 2021, and I'm going to bring you through why we launched this as well, because I think it's definitely one of the most really key techniques and programs that we've launched over the last few years. So we believe the most limiting factor within a workplace, and why people don't innovate, maybe don't strive, don't grow as a company, is employees' energy. And well-being is the foundation of employees' energy. It's why people are to progress in work, is why people, they innovate, to think up of new ideas. They really want to show, when we see fantastic energy in the organization, that's when really magic happens. And with well-being ties in our initiative, the Fittest Workplace. So we look at 4 key areas in the Fittest Workplace. We look at behavior change, we look at community, we look at individual impact, and we look at fun. Behavior change is why Zevo exists. We're here to get people healthier. Community, you need a really strong supportive network, peer support in your organization, but also at home, to really strive. Customized programs built around mental and physical health, and also fun. People want the social aspect. They are missing that at the moment. So hence why the Fittest Workplace 2021 was created. So the Fittest Workplace, it fosters a sense of community by bringing together like-minded companies that are investing in their employee well-being. It's also fun. We encourage friendly competition, increase physical activity, boost engagement, improve team morale, and increase productivity. The Fittest Workplace itself. These are key benefits here, and there's more, but I'm only going to focus on 2 or 3. One is around improved teamwork, good collaboration. So if we're having good teamwork around our physical activity, that's going to bring into the company as well, and really enhance the employee engagement. We're missing these water cooler moments at the moment, but we want to get people talking and engaging again. Next is the having fun, which is really important. That social aspect about having fun is having that social community, working with like-minded, with other companies who's on the Fittest Workplace. And of course, boost mental well-being. Through our strong mental health programs, it's really encouraging to see there's so many people looking at meditation for sleep, meditation for anxiety, meditation for stress, meditation for focus. So bringing that mental health aspect of it, but making it fun and engaging. So how it works. So in the fittest workplace, we have company versus company versus company. So we would have a lot of different companies within the fittest workplace to be awarded the fittest workplace 2021. In each company, there's teams. You can have a max of up to 20 per team. For smaller companies, that can be reduced. You gain points for as much as physical activity you do. And it's tracked and usually through your wearable technology. If you don't have a wearable, then it's through your Android or iOS mobile phone. So it's very accessible for each user. And there's live leaderboards. So you check in, depends where you're going within the company and how you're tracking. But also we look at the company versus company. So if we have two organizations competing against each other, you can see it in live term as well. So it's a simple way to gather and communicate, gather engagement, get people talking, motivated to get up and get out and do some movement, and really even bring in that the area of green exercise, what Nullig was talking about earlier. So it's that self-care piece. So as I bring it on to how it works, we have our own application in-house, and awards will be given for best team performance, best team name, best team photo, obviously the activity. We look at small, medium, large enterprises as well. So it's accessible to every employee in every workplace as well. And there's the various trackers that we can sync in with. So along with the technology and the challenges that we have, you also get access to our master classes. Our master classes, anything from yoga to looking at your sleep, to looking at CBT for anxiety, to look at the areas of imposter syndrome, to look at a Couch to 5K program, all built in within the technology. We have customized goals as well. So if you want to increase your sleep, to boost your, improve anxiety, to boost your activity levels, we have customized programs for you. So looking at the individual impact piece. And also we have a lot of recipes that's catered to your own specific needs as well. So the launch time. So we launched it on the 27th of October. You may have seen some email communication belong to us as well. Today is the live engagement event. So we had myself and then the networking after this. Registration does close on the 18th of December, with a Fittest Workplace 2021 beginning on the 1st of February of next year. And on the 28th of February, we'll have awards and networking initiative, and the winner will be announced within that period as well. So that's the awards, and the networking will be on the 1st of February. So it'll be, if it's going to be an online event, it'll be something like this, but it'll really give you good access and benefit to network and engage with all that's been on it. So you're going to have companies with like-minded needs and goals, and also why they have the why is why they're implementing and doing this Fittest Workplace Challenge to be involved in it. And a lot of fun prizes throughout the competition as well, interactive quizzes and so on. Some for companies and in the Zevo community. So there's a broad range from social media to search engine to retail to insurance. And so, but we work with companies with 10 staff and up to thousands as well. So there's a broad range of companies there that we're involved in, have worked in for the last few years, and they're really interested and excited about the Fittest Workplace 2021 as well. So are you up for the challenge? So there you go. I just brought you through a very 10-minute brief overview of what it's all about. If you want to find out more details, you can reach out to myself personally, richard@zevohealth.com, or else you can go on to the networking session, which is starting now. If you click on the right, go on to networking. Some of our Zevo Health team members may be already there. If not, you can just reach out to me if you missed any of them, and then we'll forward you to the best person to handle the. I hope you enjoyed the session, but also the panel discussion beforehand. Learn some tips, tools, and techniques. about it. And I really hope this is their last public event of the year. Hope you enjoyed our public events throughout the year. Hope you learned a lot from it. And if you have any questions or any queries or any kind of recommendations of what Zevo to focus on for next year, feel free again to reach out to me, richard@zevohealth.com. I really hope you have a good morning, have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.